Chapter 5. More about MS Paint. Topics covered. Modifying a picture. The Paint program has many tools that help us to draw and color the pictures. Let us recall the tools that we have learnt in the previous class. Tools. Description of tool. Line tool. This tool is used to draw straight lines of varying thickness using different colors. Rectangle tool. It is used to draw rectangular or square shapes. Oval tool. It is used to draw ovals or circles. Polygon tool. It is used to draw polygons with any number of sides. Fill with color tool. This tool is used to fill color in an object. Pencil tool. The pencil tool is used to draw free form of lines or curves. Eraser tool. It is used to erase any part of our drawing. Modifying a picture. In this chapter, we shall learn about the options and tools in the clipboard and image groups present on the ribbon. To use the various options and tools in the clipboard and image groups, first we need to select the entire picture or a part of it. Selecting an object. This tool is used to select the particular part of the image with different shapes. We have two types of selection tools. 1. Rectangular selection. This tool is useful for selecting the whole or a part of an object in a rectangular form. Steps for using Select tool. Choose the rectangular selection tool. Click and drag on the part of picture which we want to select. A dashed rectangle will appear around your selection. With the Move cursor, we can press this cursor down anywhere inside our selection and drag to move it. 2. Freeform Selection. This tool is used to select an object in a regular form. Select the Freeform Selection tool. Point to the image to be selected. Click and drag on the area which we want to select. Copying an object. The copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. To copy an object, click on the drop-down arrow of Select and choose a selection. Drag the pointer to select the part of the picture we want to copy. In the clipboard group, click on Copy. In the clipboard group, click on Paste. The copy is placed at the top left corner of the drawing area. With the copy still selected, move it to the desired position. We can again click on the Paste option to paste more copies of the same picture. We do not need to copy the image again for this. Moving an object. Select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of the Select tool. A rectangle with dashed lines will appear around the picture as shown. Click on the Cut option in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Now, click on the Paste option. The object that we have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area. Place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. Flipping the picture. We use the Rotate option to change the angle and flip the whole picture or a part of it. The Flip Vertical option turns the picture upside down and the Flip Horizontal option gives a mirror image of the picture. To rotate or flip a picture, follow the steps given below. Select the picture. Click on Rotate option in the image group. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on one of the Rotate options if we want to rotate the picture. Click on one of the Flip options if we want to flip the picture. Let us see how the picture appears on clicking each of the options under Rotate. Original image. Rotate right 90 degree. Rotate left 90 degree. Rotate 180 degree. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. Resizing/skewing the picture. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally in the following way. Select the drawing by covering its boundary using Select tool. Select the Resize option in the Image group on the Home tab. Specify the resize in percentage or pixels and skew in degrees for both horizontal and vertical in the respective boxes, according to our requirement. Click on OK. Deleting a picture. The Select tool also has a delete option. This option is used to remove the selected part of a picture from the drawing area as shown below. Click on the drop-down arrow under Select. Choose a selection. Select the part of the picture we want to remove. Again, click on the drop-down arrow under Select and click on the Delete option to delete the selected part.